I think we mixed in the Jewish community, which was at that stage, and I stand corrected, the Bulawayo Hebrew congregation was the Orthodox synagogue, and there was a Reform synagogue, and I think the population may have numbered 6,000. I really stand corrected about that, but it was a very close community. My father worked on the Chevra Kadisha, which is the Jewish Burial Society. He was not a religious man, but all his expression of Judaism and how he felt about it was expressed in his privilege to bury the dead. He felt it was always his privilege to sit with a body at night, because when a Jewish person dies, they are not left alone. There is always somebody sitting with the body until it's buried, which may have a reason why we bury our dead so quickly. And he used to sit with a body at night, and this gave him a lot of comfort. We used to go to synagogue with my mother on the Sabbath and on Jewish holidays. I can so clearly see my mother now wearing gloves. We also wore gloves to synagogue, and of course we would dress very nicely. I loved going to synagogue. I'm very happy to say that even though I met Larry in Johannesburg, we came back to Bulawayo and were married in the Bulawayo, what is called the Bulawayo Jewish congregation. I have a book here, and it was called the Bulawayo Hebrew congregation, which gives the whole story of the synagogue in Bulawayo, which unfortunately was burned down with suspected arson. I don't know if it was ever proven that the synagogue was burned down through arson, although I am 99% sure that was the cause. And I, at that stage, still had a cousin in Bulawayo who was very much a part of saving this synagogue, or what was left, and getting the books out of the synagogue in time, and the Torah, or more than one Torah. And we were all heartbroken when the synagogue was burnt down, because it truly symbolized the end of Jewish life in Bulawayo. The numbers diminished very quickly, and at this moment in time, I believe there are certainly not more than 60 Jews left in Bulawayo from a very thriving community, and they are all probably in the old age home there, although I can think of a few people my age who still go in and out of Bulawayo because they still have business interests there. But the wonderful thing about Bulawayo is that I still have so many friends from there who I stay in touch with around the world.